my life.
Ever know, young man?
Makeup wipes. Oh, my nose is so red. Can't do it anymore. Up, sing this. Stand up and sing this song. So, film it and tweet it. Film it and tweet to me. So anyways, film yourself and Instagram me or tweet it to me. TikTok it to me, any of those things. Dang it, it's going again. And I will pick one winner who does this at Thanksgiving dinner, and I will send them this turkey onesie. Bye.
I have a... Wow.
God bless you, my child.
Okay.
So which foundation should I use? This is number 1.
I feel like I need to sneeze. There it is. Uh-oh. Okay, sorry.
What I'm gonna be using to prime my eyes and to okay, to carve the bottom of my eyebrows and to prime my eyes, I'm gonna be using the LA. Thank you. ¿Tienes que hacer pipí? ¿Caca? Acuérdate que tienes que ir como un big boy, ¿ok? I guess these.